What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys? We're gonna do the Match Lock Challenge. We're gonna do the Match Lock Challenge because this is this ain't a new account, but like we've had it for a while.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do it on there. We were gonna make a new account called Jay and Jake's Film, but Jalen don't want to, so we're gonna do the Match Lock Challenge today.
3, 2, 1, go. Dude, my arm hurts. Oh, dude. Jacob, seriously? Oh, dude. Jacob. He farted right on the camera.
Okay, guys, he escaped.
Now it's Jacob's turn to die. Oh, come on, it's not fair.
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. Please subscribe to this new channel.